Hello, this is Leonie of Gardens of Blessings TV, and in this video, I am going to share with you how to grow your strawberry for beginners. After watching this video and you think it is helpful, please give it a thumbs up. This helps YouTube to recommend this video to others. Should you want to know more about the Gardens of Blessings TV, please subscribe to receive updates. With that being said, let's get started. If you are planning to grow strawberries, make sure to grow the variety that will thrive in your area. As far as I know, the main types of strawberries are Everbearing and June bearing. Everbearing strawberries are strawberries that produce fruit in the summer to early fall. The June-bearing strawberries produce fruits in May to June. If you are interested in the June-bearing ones, we are selling strawberries in our eBay store. To know if it is available in the market, visit our eBay store Alive Forever or follow us on our Facebook page, Gardens of Blessings Farm. The link is on the description of this video. I will be sharing with you the most popular home garden variety of strawberries later, so watch till the end. Strawberries will certainly thrive when the preparation of the site is properly done. Plant them with its crown even with the surrounding soil. The crown is the point where the roots of the plant meet the leaves. Don't plant the crown too high or else it will dry. Or if it's too low, the berries might rot. Make sure to prepare this site in sunny spots. You can start strawberries on pots or on raised beds, but with mine, most of them are planted on the ground. Whether you plant strawberries in pots or on the ground, the most important part is that you have a drained soil. You may plant strawberries beside strong aroma plants like lemon balm or basil to discourage bugs, and a little sprinkle of ashes around the plant will protect them from slugs. By experience, I removed the flowers of my mother plant on its first year because this will help the mother plant reserve its energy. This energy helps to establish strong root system. By cutting the flowers of its first year, you will certainly enjoy the fruit of your labor for many years to come. In regards to watering the plant, make sure to water the base of your strawberry, not the leaves or fruits. Watering the whole strawberry plant can encourage disease and bugs. To keep them hydrated on the very hot sunny days, water your strawberries in the morning. If your strawberries are in pots, you need to water them often or put few ice cubes during very hot weather. When harvesting your strawberries, take note that if your strawberry is June-bearing, they will start to ripen all at once, usually around 3 weeks, and they could easily get rotten. With this, strawberries can be freezed and used as smoothies so you can enjoy the fruit longer. On the other hand, ever-bearing strawberries can be harvested one large spring, another batch for summer, and the last crop on early fall. These are the most popular home garden varieties of strawberries that you can possibly grow in your zone. Rainier, Early Glow, Old Star, Ozark, Chandler, Jewel, Seascape, TriStar, and Sparkle. Do a research on which one of them grows best in your place. What strawberry are you growing? What are your challenges and success? I would love to hear from you. Type your comment below. For more plant videos and simple life's blessings, please subscribe. Thank you for sharing your time with me and be blessed.